decided to use some orthoscopic eyepieces because they have less elements than Plossls, and I have heard that they are very good for increased contrast and clarity, especially for planetary viewings. And I bought a Baader planetarium orthoscopic eyepiece from the First Light Optics in the UK. So I will now go and open it. Okay, I am now opening it. I ordered it 2 nights ago and I received it now. So very good, quick. Okay, it has a good packaging. Let me open this first packaging. Okay, now I've opened it, and this is the eyepiece. Well packed, 1 layer cardboard, then polystyrene, then another bubble wrap, then another package. We come to the Classic Ortho Baader Planetarium Classic Ortho 10mm eyepiece for 1 1/4 barrel eyepiece barrels, and it has this eye guard special for this tape of the Baader Planetarium eyepiece. So let's see what is inside. So I'm trying to open it with one hand, bring it out. Okay, this is a package. There's another layer of plastic here, so completely protected, and also a silicone gel to absorb any moisture that may accidentally contaminate it. There is a cap here at the end of the eyepiece, and there is another cap here at this end of the eyepiece. And this is, I read good reviews about this 10mm one, and I just wanted to try it. If it is good, I will go for other varieties of it, other focal lengths. This is 10mm Classic Ortho Baader Classic Ortho 10mm, and this is the way it looks. It looks they call it volcanic top, so they're coming up like a cone in the center. And as you can see, the other side of it is also like that. And if I go into this eyepiece and have a view,
right then, you want a salad or something? Salad?
yes please. So quite clear. It has a good eye relief, it seems, unlike what I thought. Yeah, I like that. And I will test it on the tonight if it is clear on Jupiter or on the Moon or Saturn, either of which. At the moment, it looks alright. I'll just put it on a normal, probably ETX, and just see how it is. I think there is a good contrast here. If I zoom on it, you see, it's a refractor I'm using. It's a Skywatcher. Sky Travel 80mm refractor. I see some false color, but you'll see how it is on the Moon and the planets. Okay, this is the Ortho Classic Ortho by Baader, that 10mm, and I have now a Plossl 10mm from the Skywatcher. And I will try this one also just to see what's the difference, and I will show you. Okay, that's a Classic Ortho, Baader, and that's the Skywatcher normal Plossl eyepiece. So I'm putting this on the, this is Skywatcher telescope, and let's go and see how it is. I will focus it and I will show you. Okay, that's the Skywatcher. I think the image in the Skywatcher is better. Although in that other one it looked more contrasty. Let me just go back to it. Okay, I'm going now to the Classic Ortho. Got out of focus, of course. I will focus it. I think this is more contrasty. Let's agree on that. It has a better contrast. You can see the little hairs on the foot in this one. I'll go back to the Skywatcher Plossl. Okay, that's the Skywatcher. Yeah, I think that the Ortho has a better contrast. Yeah, definitely I can see in the Ortho much more detail. So first, at this round, Classic Ortho for high power, better than the Plossl. Good, I made a good purchase in this. I was a bit worried. Okay, now I have modified my Meet ETX 125 to accept. Gives a better result. Looks heavier.